You're watching How Leap. Let's fix the Instagram story save option not showing. First, update the Instagram app from your device's app store. Restart your phone after updating. Next, check your storage. If your phone's storage is full, the save option may be disabled. Clear some space. Then check your app permissions. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Photos, and ensure Instagram has all photos access. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Permissions, and ensure storage is allowed. Also, the save option only appears for your own stories. For others' stories, you can only save them if they have allowed resharing. If it's your story, try deleting and reposting it. Finally, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, then reinstall. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.